Oh, and he's very good with the bottom hand. Here's the first maximum here in Karachi tonight. He decides to go straighter. Has he fatted it? You betcha. Here's another one. No, it's a good stick. Get up here. Here's 3 in a row. TK sixer. What a ripper.
That one's touch lower, airborne. Oh, it's gone the distance. Wow, what a strike. That also brings up the 50 partnership.
And that's putting no pressure on any batsman whatsoever. A real loosener. A real loosener. And he's not going to miss out on one innings it's been so far. Just 28 balls, 54.